Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, my name is Lisette. For today's video, I'm going to be creating an halo eye look with you guys, so you guys can learn a little bit and I can learn as well and practice. And before I start with this, as you can see, I already started on my face. I did everything. All I'm missing are the eyes. And before I start, I wanted to give you all thank you very much for all your support you've given me in the past few weeks. I appreciate it so much, and I'm very grateful and fortunate to continue this journey together with you guys. And the more you support me, the more I'm going to be doing giveaways for you guys. So as of right now, I have an active giveaway going on my YouTube channel as well as in my Instagram. So you guys can go ahead and check it out at Lismania Beauty. And I'm posting most of the times, mostly over there on Instagram. I also do a lot of IGTVs and videos, like little tutorials. So you guys can go ahead and check it out if you're interested to follow me. And yeah, let's get started. Well, the first thing I wanted to tell you guys, I'm gonna use this Tarte palette, Tarteist Pro, that I received and I haven't used. And I wanted to create a halo eye. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna see if I could zoom you guys a little bit. You see everything, so you see clearly what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to start by prepping my eyelids. I'm going to go ahead and get this Morphe concealer. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna be doing. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to set this concealer with, let me get a little brush. I'm going to set it with the shade Classic right here. Hopefully you guys can see me good here. I'm actually gonna put this right here. I'm going to set everything. Okay, so I am going to start with, after I did the Classic, of course, I'm gonna start with the shade Bold. This one right here, Bold. Okay, now that's done. In the outer corner, I'm gonna go in a little deep with the shade, I'm gonna go in with Drama right here. I'm going to blend everything. Okay, then I'm gonna use that same shade for the inner corner. Remember, it's a halo eye. Drama. I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade right here, Bamp. Then for the middle, I'm going to get the shade right here, Glam. Okay, then I'm gonna go on my lower corner, lower lash line, sorry, with the shade right here, Edgy. Kind of like connect everything. And then I'm gonna go again in the lower lash line with that same shimmer shade, the Glam. Okay. What do you guys think? Did I made it or not? Okay, I'm gonna finish this look with eyeliner, my waterline. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, show you guys something. Okay, so first I'm going to do the little wing line at the top of my lid, and I'm gonna show you something, how I'm gonna apply my lashes with the adhesive liner. And this one is in clear, so I'm gonna put it on top of the regular eyeliner, and then the lashes are going to stick. Okay, so the lash liner I'm going to use on top of this is clear because it works like a glue for the lashes. You can literally use any lashes. It's from Miss Pink, and I have a code. I'm going to put it in my bio. I believe the code is Lismania Beauty. And my lashes from Luoci lashes, which I have a code as well. Okay, and I believe it's Lismania Beauty too. So either way, I'm gonna put everything in my description, so make sure to check that out. Okay, so I'm gonna apply the lashes here with you guys. First, I'm gonna apply the liner. Okay, as you can see, it's clear. Okay, so now let's get the lashes. And just like that, they stick. This is crazy. This is just amazing. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye. That's it. What do you guys think of this look that I just tried for the first time with you guys? Let me know what you guys think. The lashes, this is the look. Let me pull you back a little, or okay. So let me know what you guys think about this look. This is my first time creating it, and yeah, especially with this palette that I haven't used. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this look, the lashes, the liner. If you're gonna use it, let me know. I have the code in my description. I'm gonna have it, as well as the lashes, and I'm gonna be linking also everything I used to create this look. Of course, I didn't do it on camera, but yeah. And thank you very much for watching me. Thank you very much again for your support. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.